Hey guys, in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to get onto Teamie, that's the LTPSS VLE platform for learning and teaching. So to get on, this is for someone who wants to get on for the first time. What you need to do is you need to make sure you put in the right address. So it's ltpss.theteamie.com. Please make sure you spell it correctly, make sure you put the full stops in the right place, otherwise it will not work. It must be exactly ltpss.theteamie.com. Now once you do that, you'll get this screen. You have two sections. You've got this one with a blue button that says login, and at the bottom you've got something that says login with your Google account. Now what you need to do is you need to use your school Google account or your eLearn account to get into Teamie. Otherwise you cannot get in and it will not work. So let's assume that you already have a school Google or school eLearn account. So we're going to click the green button, login with your Google account. Now it's going to ask you, so in my case, I'm going to put my school email. So for you, it could be s99999@elearn.ltpss.hk. So this is for me, and your password, you just put that in. Any problems with this, please ask your teacher. There we go. Now, what might happen is it might ask you, well, this is actually in Chinese, but what it might ask you is to link up Teamie and Google together. Yes, you want to do that, so please click the blue button. You only have to do this once, and then you'll never have to do it again. So just click that and just wait. And there we go, we are now in Teamie. So we have a news feed. It's very similar to Facebook. You can see what people have written, mainly your teachers or your classmates may have posted things about your lessons, or they might be communicating with each other, whatever the case. So what we should do first is let's go to classrooms. So I can click on classrooms. So these are all the classes that I have at Luotingpong. At the moment, because this is a student test account, I've only linked it to S1, S2, and S3 ICT lessons like that. So just to give you an example, if I go to, let's say, I'm going to go to 3T. Alright, so this is my 3T page. If I go to the top right corner, I can see other people in my class. So you can see these are some other users, other students in my class that happen to be in 3T. So these are like odd number students. And on the top left corner, for the ICT site, I can click the unit. So the teacher might set some work or set some units for you to do. And like I could click one of them like this, and I can read up on what the teacher wants me to do, and so on. So it's like a web page in Teamie. You know, teachers can make a web page for students to learn from. It's very, very useful. And I'm just going to go back. All right, so I can go back to the unit, and I can go to, and I know some of you might be in S1, S2, or you might be like in another form in senior, so don't worry too much about this. This is just an example for everybody. But I can click on this link, and you can see, you know, it's got instructions, it's got like pictures and things. I can scroll down and, you know, read all the information from the teacher. If I click on this button, I can go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, I've got other functions I can use. So assessments, right? So any kind of assessments that will be graded that teachers will give you, just click on the link. And there's lots of other stuff. I don't really have much time to really explain. Maybe in the future videos I might spend more time explaining, but for now I just want to give you an idea about what Teamie looks like. But one thing you might want to try as well, if you go to your name up here, if you go to profile. Now this is your profile, tells you how many points you have, and right here there's like a green box with a P in it. Now you can actually put your own photo. You can either take your own photo or use a photo from Facebook or some other place and put it in there instead of having this green P. And the way to do that is you click on your name, go to Settings. You need to save a picture to your computer. And then you click on Choose File. You find a picture and you put it in there, and then you click Save. And then it will automatically change this picture into whatever picture you happen to choose. And that is pretty much the basic of Teamie. Hopefully, if we have any more to show you, we'll show it to you in future videos. So, there we go. That is Teamie, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.